Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So Aquarius, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, what are the messages for you? Seven of Cups, the Sun and the Hanged Man. Six of Cups, Five of Swords and Page of Cups. Wow. Six of Pentacles. So if you're in separation, someone is coming back to offer equal give and take, to offer commitment, and they want to marry you, some marriage proposals, Aquarius. So if you're in relationship, then your person really want to marry you and they want to take this relationship to next level. Okay, let's see your reading. Recent past, Seven of Cups, the Sun and the Hanged Man. Maybe in recent past you are in stuck. You may be undergoing some spiritual awakening because the Hanged Man is there. And Seven of Cups, you are in a lot of confusion. Maybe for some you have options also, but I am seeing confusion because the Seven of Cups with the Hanged Man. You are thinking about something or someone a lot in recent past, but that thinking leads to a positive shifts in your life because the Sun is here, the center. There is some positive shifts are started coming in your way. Then present, Six of Cups, Five of Swords and Page of Cups. Some maybe your person hurt you in past because Five of Swords energy, they did something wrong to you. Maybe they are not available to you emotionally. They are in and out of your life. It could be any reason. Five of Swords energy, they want to fix the things with you. That's why they're coming back with an apology. They want to fix and they want reconciliation with you if you're in separation. If you're not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, Aquarius. And they're thinking about you a lot. Apology, message, communication is coming in your way. And future, Ace of Cups, Four of Wands and Three of Pentacles. This time your person is very serious about you because see how these three cards are interrelated with each other. Three of Pentacles, Four of Wands and Ace of Cups. Their love towards you is overflowing. And Three of Pentacles, I think in past there is no partnership between both of you, but now your person really want to offer partnership and they want this happy family with you and celebration with you. For some it could be twin flame connection also, very few, but strong soulmate connection also for some. I think for some, lot of you are in soulmate connection because Six of Cups with Three of Pentacles. So they're coming back with an apology to fix the things and they really want to work on this relationship. Maybe in past there is no collaboration between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of earth energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, death or rebirth. Definitely your person want rebirth in this connection. So let's see your person current feelings, Aquarius, towards you. Yeah, Four of Wands, two times. The Hermit and the Chariot and Justice. Yeah, they want second chance and the person involved in this connection could be Libra. So, Four of Wands, they really want this happiness with you. See, this joy with you. And right now your person is not talking to you because they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. That's why in near future they will back to work on this relationship. They will back with an offer. And the Chariot, definitely they will coming towards you, but it is very slow moving energy. Chariot, they're taking it very slow, but still there is some movement. And the person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. So yeah, so let's see the near future actions towards you. Justice, they want second chances. Communication is coming. Clarity is coming. Maybe for some you are concentrating on your career. 3 of Pentacles. You are investing your money and working towards your goals. Aquarius. 8 of Cups. 7 of Pentacles. And Knight of Swords. Yeah, communication. And another deck, Queen of Wands. Your person is also very powerful and very attractive. So let's see. 8 of Cups. Maybe they walked away from you. Now they're waiting for the right time. 7 of Pentacles waiting. And Knight of Swords. Yeah, they want to communicate with you. There is some communication, some clarity is coming, Aquarius. And the Chariot, they're taking it very slow. But they want this happiness with you. If they walked away from you, then now they're feeling regret. They're waiting for the right time to come towards you. Yeah, some communication is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, truth, communication and clarity is coming, and Ace of Wands. And another deck, 4 of Cups. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. 4 of Cups is here. They're thinking about you a lot. And Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication, clarity is coming. And Ace of Wands. They're still attracted to you. There is a lot of passion between both of you. There is a lot of passion involved between both of you guys. So, Aquarius, communication and clarity is coming. Yeah, communication. 8 of Wands, lots of communication. And you stand by your power and you are very grounded. And see, you are very attractive. You are taking your power back. So, Knight of Wands, they're coming back. There is a lot of passion. There is a lot of attraction between both of you guys. Your person is very passionate about you. Aquarius. Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, New Beginnings, Aces, High Priestess. Maybe this is a strong spiritual bond between both of you, because the High Priestess, trusting intuition, following your intuition. I think you both are following your intuitions. I think this is a spiritual bond between both of you guys. Another deck, 4 of Swords. For some, this is no contact situation. You both undergoing some healing and meditation process. You are listening to your inner self. While in this process, you are asking, you are receiving answers from your angels, from your guides. Okay. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy. Yeah, see, Sagittarius, Temperance. So patience and Hermit, transformation. Definitely patience is the key. Definitely things are moving, but it will take some time, very slow moving. Okay. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, I already told you, you are working towards your goals and achieving financial stability. And yeah, you are busy with your work, with family responsibilities. Sometimes you have no time to relax. You're feeling overburdened. And yeah, there is communication coming in your way. You're passionate. They're very passionate about you. The same message is coming again and again. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. So here the communication and clarity is coming. But it will take some time. Your person is also in 7 of Pentacles energy. They also wait for waiting. Maybe they're scared to make a first move. But they will approach you. They will call you very soon. See, 8 of Wands again. Communication. They will call you very soon. Communication is coming. Aquarius. 10 of Cups. They want this happiness with you. And 10 of Pentacles, stability. Queen of Pentacles and 5 of Pentacles. They're missing you so much. They're suffering in silence. Maybe cold shouldering, separation. Queen of Pentacles. I think it's you. They see you as you. This Queen of Pentacles energy. You are working on yourself. Yeah, 10 of Pentacles with 10 of Cups. They want this happiness with you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck. Aces, new beginnings. Confidence is your key to success. Aquarius, this is the message for you, especially when new moon in Leo. So, if you are doing any work in your work area or anything in your life, be confident while doing it, because it is the key to your success. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.